Hello traders, welcome to TradeVox. So today's video, I'm going to be showing a new approach to trading the linear regression channel, and this is what I call the breakout method. Now, if you have seen my previous video I posted when I made $15,000 in 1 month, I'm going to be showing you a new strategy, and this is what I call the breakout strategy. It's pretty easy and simple. All you need to do is watch this video to the very end so you will understand basically all the whole techniques I use when trading this strategy. So with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Welcome to TradeVox. Before we dive deeper into this strategy, let's look at what linear regression channel is. And for beginners, they need to know what the linear regression channel is before they attempt to trade using the linear regression channel. Now, the linear regression channel is formed by drawing two equal standard deviation. To make things easier, it comprises of a top trend line that represents the resistance and a down trend line that represents the support. The middle trend line is actually known as the equilibrium in price at that particular time in the chart. So once price break above the top trend line of a linear regression channel, then we will say that the resistance has been broken. Same goes to the down. Once price has broken below the lower trend line of a linear regression channel, then we note that the support has been broken. And this is where the case of our strategy comes in. We also use price action to analyze the breakout patterns of this linear regression channel. So let's look at a buy example using this breakout strategy. Now for the buy example, here we have on our chart a linear regression pattern that I had already drawn. You can also use an indicator, linear regression channel indicator. It will draw it out for you from the first anchor point to the recent price action. And if you're drawing your linear regression channel manually, make sure your linear regression channel runs through 15 to 12 bars before it is considered a valid linear regression channel. Also, the second thing we should keep in mind is the trend direction. Obviously, you can see right here we are in an uptrend. How we can see price making lower highs and higher highs. This is basically the pattern formation of an uptrend. And this is a very good signal for us if we want to be looking for buy opportunities in the market. This in turn makes us not to go against the trade. So what we are expecting in this linear regression channel is for price to break above the resistance trend line. Then we will take our trade and hopefully price would follow our path. So let's see what the price did. And as you can see, we had a nice break to the upside right here. And one thing to always keep in mind is the momentum candles that broke the linear regression channel. Make sure there is enough momentum in the candlesticks. That is, the candlestick needs to have big volume, as you can see right here. This shows clearly that there was great buy momentum in the market using these three bullish candles right here. So with that, I am not going to be afraid, or I am not going to be skeptical of my breakout closing properly. So I'm going to take my buy trade. For my TP, I usually target 2 times and stop loss slightly below the break. So let's see what this price gave us in the long run. Okay guys, TP1 touched. Normally when I'm trading the linear regression channel breakout, I do not always leave my final take profits to only be take profit one. I usually like trading my profits, so I am going to take my stop loss to my break-even point. So if my stop loss is hit, I know that it is break-even, and I'm going to be targeting another 1.5 in the market. So let's see how this price plays out. Okay, my TP has been hit, so I am satisfied for today's trade. Now let's look at a sell example using the linear regression breakout strategy. Now for the sell example using the linear regression breakout strategy, first we can see that this is a bearish trend. Price making lower highs and lower lows all over in the market. So this is a good indication if we are looking for sell trade, so we are going to be trading with the trend, not against the trend. Now that we have known that we are in a bearish market and the linear regression channel is drawn, let's look for breakout momentum candles to the downward side, breaking the support. Okay, as you can see, this is enough momentum candle to indicate that the linear regression has been broken. We can see this momentum candle right here, followed by this momentum candle, and this is a strong indication that the linear regression channel has been broken. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be placing my sell trade, stop loss slightly above, and I am going to be targeting 2 times the risk. Also keep in mind that there was a breakout right here, but this is a false breakout. Why? Because we didn't see any momentum in the market that broke this top trend line right here. We had the momentum within the linear regression channel, but when it came to the breakout zone, we didn't see the same momentum candles that broke to the upside, making it a change of trend directly. So we are going to be changing the trend and taking buy trades instead. But it gave us a fake out. Same with here, this downside, we didn't see any break to the downside with a momentum candle, so we are going to neglect that breakout, and we're going to be looking at the recent one, which is this one happening right now. So let's see what the market did in the long run. Okay, without even wasting much time, price dig deep to our TP. Guys, if you are able to always use this type of rule when trading your linear regression channel breakout, I am very certain that price is going to go your way. One thing that guys feel using the linear regression strategy is that they tend to force the market to give them a breakout. In scenarios like this, someone would have thought that this was a breakout. The same with this. And when they see a valid breakout, they are going to be afraid to buy, thinking they are too late to enter the market, when this is just a good signal that the breakout is very valid for you to sell. So next time, make sure you check your breakout candle patterns, make sure they show they have momentum in them, and make sure you check your overall trend so you are not going to be trading against the trend when using this breakout strategy. I hope you guys understand this video, and I wish you guys a successful trading journey ahead using this strategy. And also, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas in advance. Now, I am thinking of doing a giveaway, but you guys have refused to join my Telegram channel where I post out good contents and I also give you guys free analysis and signal. By 2024, we are going to be doing a new challenge and I want you guys to be part of it. If you guys are not part of it, then you might not be able to benefit from all the things that Tradebox family have been benefiting. So make sure you join the Telegram channel, and also a giveaway might be coming very soon, so you don't want to miss that as well. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, leave your favorite strategy in the comment section below, so I am going to be doing an analysis and a backtest of it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.